Hello and welcome everyone to the debut podcast of Steps and Stories. I am Kashish Gupta, your host for the day. Today we have got a very special guest with us. She started with a vision, built a team, and now is the lead of a growing tech company. She has been running Arch Infosystem from past 15 years. And not only that, she is also marketing director of BS Projects, the parent company. For her prestigious performance, she has been honored by the Best Woman Entrepreneur Award. Today, we are going to talk about her journey, how it all began, the challenges, the wins, and many more. So, grab a seat, get comfy, and let's welcome the person behind Arch Infosystem, Mrs. Amruta Mane.
Thank you for inviting me. I am also very excited and happy to be here.
Okay, tell us something about yourself in short.
About my journey, I have an experience of total 25 years. 10 years I was working in sales and marketing for different firms, and 15 years I am leading Arch Infosystem.
Okay, so talking about your 15 years experience in Arch Infosystem, what does Arch Infosystem exactly does?
Arch Infosystem is Mumbai-based company, and we are into the digital marketing. We are handling different sectors like website designing and developing, search engine optimization, social media optimization, YouTube promotions, and email marketing, website marketing. We are doing that.
Okay.
And I would say Arch Infosystem is a lead generation platform for B2B business.
Okay, so what segments do you cover in B2B?
In B2B, we cover manufacturing, then we cover industrial engineering products. For example, in the categories wise, I must say that packaging machines manufacturers, then API chemical manufacturers, then industrial valves and pumps manufacturers, in engineering products, in industrial products, we cater.
Okay, so where did this idea come to you of starting your own business?
Yeah, as I've told you, I have an 10 years of experience in sales and marketing, different companies. There, I have leading the sales marketing team, but the service part of their company was weak. As you are the young generation, you might be knowing that the company faces sales and marketing,
Yeah.
but the service part is the backbone of the company. When if you are serving the service part better, then you will be your company will be stand for a long time in the market. But if your service part is not good, you're not serving what the clients are paying for you, then you won't be able to stand in the market.
Okay, so if you are running a digital marketing company, right? So what's your perspective on digital marketing?
Digital marketing is not only about Google Ads, SEO, and SMO, but it's about creating, building a trust to your clients and building a long term values to your product.
Okay, how do you do that?
For example, I would say that from my prospects, if you see, if you're taking 100 rupees from the client, you have to serve 1000 rupees service to your client.
And how do you do that? If you're taking 100 rupees from a client, you're serving for 1000 rupees. So how is that possible?
It is possible that, for example, I tell you, now we take the clients for search engine optimization. In search engine optimizations, we give website designing as a complimentary for my clients. Now I have said you already, we are catering B2B clients. So B2B clients have different categories. For example, they have 30 to 35 categories in their website. So in website, in one category, there are more than 5 to 6 subcategories. For example, one website may be more than 50 pages website will be there. In 50 pages website, we give mobile responsive website, not only static, we give dynamic websites to the clients, and that is the complementary website in search engine optimization package.
Okay, so you're providing complimentary website designing. So is there any limitation of pages that you will only design few pages for them?
Yeah, now we are taking search engine optimization, so each and every page, each and every product's landing pages should be there. Now landing pages, for example, I should say you, you might be knowing the pipes and fittings steel market about the in Kumbharwada, Mumbai. So there, they have in one category they have more than 50 to 60 grades to in one category. So their pages is more than 400, 450 or 500. So at that time, if I've taken the contract of search engine optimization, so we are giving that website complimentary to our client.
Okay, so it's fully
Yeah,
complimentary.
fully complementary. And other than that, B2B clients have the exhibitions yearly minimum. They do 2 exhibitions. So in 2 exhibitions they need they need a pop-ups, they need a creatives, and they need the emailers. So that in that case we help them to create the emailers, pop-ups and everything, which is we don't
So you
charge them.
support fully to
Yeah,
your clients.
fully support.
Okay, so throughout this journey of running your own digital marketing company, something tell us something that you have learned about yourself.
Arsh Infosystem has taught me a lot, not in terms of in sales and marketing, but in terms of handling the team, handling their moods, handling the deadlines of the clients, and when there is a deadline, how we can handle the team and manage the team. So in terms, I would say that not only personal but professional, both Arsh Infosystem has taught me a lot.
I have heard that a lots of companies shut down during lockdown. So how did you manage that situation? Because it was a very tough time.
Yeah, I know. Actually, in Corona, I have to recruit the web designer team because, as I've told you, I have an B2B clients. So B2B clients in 6 months they are active, and in that period we have to recruit the web designer team, and plus we are designing their websites also in that period, because as I've said that our retention parts renewal part is more than 97%. So it is more than 97%. Yeah, I know in the lockdown no, there are no new clients coming to my Arsh Info system, but what we have a client based, we are retaining them, and we are getting good renewals at that time. And
Okay.
yeah,
The
we are.
renewal rate was good.
Yes, renewal rate was 97%, as I've told you.
Okay. And for the fact we have heard that हमारे सोर्सेज से हमको ये पता चला है कि आपको 2021 में बेस्ट वुमन एंटरप्रेन्योर अवार्ड भी मिला है.
राइट राइट. एक्चुअली 2021 में हमने रजिस्टर किया था ये अवार्ड्स के लिए, और तभी जब लास्ट राउंड था, फाइनल राउंड जूरी का, तो जूरी क्वेश्चंस जो जूरी करते, तो उन्होंने कहा कि नहीं, आप डायरेक्ट विन हो, मुझे कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं करना है आपको. तो मैंने उनसे कहा कि मुझे क्यों क्वेश्चन नहीं करना है, तो यू आर ऑलरेडी विन. तो उन्होंने कहा कि मेरे फ्रेंड सर्कल में इन लॉकडाउन बहुत जन की कंपनीज, डिजिटल मार्केटिंग कंपनीज बंद हुई, और आप वुमन होके आपकी कंपनी मोर देन 10 ईयर्स से आप ये रन कर रहे हो डिजिटल मार्केटिंग कंपनी इतने कंपटीशन में, सो यू आर ऑलरेडी विन.
Heartily congratulations
Yeah.
for that.
Thank you.
Something like a client disaster happened that turned into a success story. How did you manage that? Is there any situation like that?
Yeah, every month we are facing some of situations, but I'll let you know about the last month, whatever the happens disaster, as you said, in the office. We have taken in May, we have taken the contract of pharma machines manufacturer, and already their design is done. by other vendor, and we have taken for search engine optimization. Now you might be knowing about search engine optimization, that there is a first part in search engine optimization is on page. In on page we have to create the meta tags. Now we have created the meta tags, but the vendor has not given us the cPanel. We have created the meta tags, and that meta tags is we have to upload on the website. The cPanel is not given to us, so we have to mail that meta tags to the client, and then client will mail that meta tags to the that vendor. So this is the third way communication part. It is difficult for us, and whatever the deadlines we have given to clients, that in 3 months your website will be there on first page, minimum 3 months. So it is hard to achieve that. So that's the reason we have asked them that this is difficult me to give you a better result for your website. So they have decided to hand over all design to us, and we have planned to take all the whatever the design on our server. So they have not given the cPanels to take the design, and only they have mailed me the 2 GB data of their designing part. We have uploaded that data, but that data was of design was of travel agency which is in UK.
Okay,
And the company was of pharma machines manufacturer, and that company was more than 25 years old.
That's complete
So
disaster.
it was complete disaster for us, and continuous clients phone was coming that our 25 years image is what is you are creating it. It's quite difficult for us, and because at that time that was not our fault, that their vendor has not supported us and not given us the designing part. So at that time my designers have already from other sources they have taken the data which was of 5 GB, and they have given us 2 GB data. Then that data we have uploaded to our server, and that what happens, the downtime of the website was very high, because unwanted links are there, unwanted pages are created. So it is very much difficult for us to come down the downtime.
Okay, what is downtime exactly?
Downtime is the your website's opening time.
Okay.
Yeah.
The speed of
Of your website.
Okay.
That is the downtime. So it was very much difficult, but we have at 10 till 10:30 night we are there in the office, and we are working for the updations of that websites. And at 10:30 we got the result, and from second day the client also was satisfied because everything was going smoothly. In that week itself, client has called up, that as you told me your success stories from after the disasters. He has called us and he has given the second contract for their international website. You have to design the websites from crash for .com. Earlier they have given us .in websites, now for .com. So that was the success story for us.
Oh my god. This would be a very stressful situation.
Right.
So what's your go-to stress buster in such situation?
In such situation, my stress busters, I take 10 minutes break, and I take 1 cup of black coffee, or you know about the music therapy. Yeah. So 10 minutes I take a break, and then back to my work.
Okay. Let's assume you have a very tough client. Let's get you into a situation. So what would your signature move would be to win that client? He's very tough, he's rigid. How would you tackle that?
Okay. My signature move would be is listening more than talking. I believe that first listen and then suggest what solution do you have. For example, if I'm visiting any client or my team is visiting any client, so first listen the client's pain point. Then you give your solutions. First you start that we have this service, you first start selling your products. That is not going to work. So first listen what client says, first go through what the pain they are facing in their business. Example, I said now they have lots of problems for local portals which are not giving the whatever the commitment for leads they have given. They have faced the problems with their existing vendors where they have not got the proper services. So first listen their pain points and then give your solutions.
Okay, and how does that help?
That helps a lot. That is the win-win situation.
So where do you see your company heading in next 5 years, and are you preparing for it from today?
In the next 5 years, digital marketing is going personalized and AI driven. It's going very personalized and AI driven, because new AI tools are coming up. And about from my prospects, if I see that voice search, data analytics, and voice search data analytics will be having a boom in the next 5 years in the market. So we are preparing.
How are you preparing for it?
Yeah, we are preparing my team. We are educating them weekly basis about the new AI tools, new tools for search engine optimization, social media. We are taking the training sessions. We are taking online sessions for our team. We are giving a topic for monthly basis, one topic for team member, and to make the presentations. And we are taking a training part for the
Oh.
new updates.
Okay, so you're quite updated with everything.
Yes,
every
right.
week.
Yeah, we are
Okay,
updated.
so let's wind this up with quick rapid fire.
Right, no
Okay.
issues.
Chai or coffee?
Coffee.
Instagram or LinkedIn?
LinkedIn.
One thing you can't live without. Should be non-tech.
Me time.
Okay. Your favorite travel destination?
My favorite travel destination is Kolhapur Mahalakshmi.
Okay.
If you can say now, I'm ready to move.
Oh, okay, you're spiritual like that.
Right.
If not entrepreneur, then what?
Maybe I will be leading a sales marketing team for any company.
Your dream collaboration could be brand or person.
About my dream collaboration, I would love to collaborate with Google to make a new tools which is beneficial for my B2B clients lead generation platform. It would be faster for a lead generation platform.
You really think out of the box.
Yes.
And that's a wrap on episode 1 of Steps and Stories. Huge thanks to Amrita Mane for sharing her bold experience and journey throughout this.
Thank you, Kashish, for a great time.